If you're planning construction work near a neighbouring property or on a shared wall, the Party Wall, etc. Act 1996 likely applies, and one of the first steps is serving notice. But what exactly does a building owner surveyor do? And how do they differ from the surveyor acting for the neighbour? Hi, I'm Faye Williams, Director at Harrison Clarke Chartered Surveyors, and in this video we'll walk through the role of a building owner surveyor, how they're appointed, what their responsibilities are, and how to approach the process in a way that keeps your project compliant, fair and on track. Let's go. Under the Party Wall, etc. Act 1996, the building owner is the person carrying out the works that may affect a party wall, boundary or nearby structure. Once the building owner serves notice of their intended works, the adjoining owner has the option to consent or dissent. If they dissent or simply don't respond, this triggers a need for a party wall award, and at that point, each owner can appoint a surveyor. The building owner's surveyor is the person appointed to represent the interests of the building owner, work with the adjoining owner's surveyor, and prepare, agree and serve the party wall award. They also ensure the works proceed lawfully and with minimal dispute. It's important to note, although they're appointed by the building owner, this surveyor still has a statutory duty to act impartially. That means their role isn't to win for the building owner, it's to apply the act fairly and consistently. So what does a building owner's surveyor actually do? Here are their core duties. They review the proposed works. The surveyor checks the drawings and method statements to understand the scope of work and whether it falls under the Act. They sometimes serve or confirm notices. They ensure valid party wall notices are served, correctly filled out, and that timelines are followed. They'll liaise with the adjoining owner's surveyor. If the neighbour appoints their own surveyor, the two surveyors will meet, inspect the site and agree the terms of a party wall award. They'll produce a schedule of condition. This is a record of the adjoining property's condition before works begin, to protect both parties if damage occurs. They'll negotiate and agree the award. The award is a legal document that sets out what works can proceed, when, how and with what protections. They'll manage disputes. If disagreements arise, the building owner's surveyor will help resolve them in accordance with the Act. Throughout, the surveyor must remain impartial, even though they're appointed and paid by the building owner. Many people assume the two surveyors in a party wall matter are siding with their respective owners. But under the Act, that's not the case or shouldn't be the case. Both surveyors must act independently and impartially, even though one is appointed by the building owner and the other by the adjoining owner. The key difference lies in their focuses. The building owner's surveyor ensures that works proceed in compliance with the Act and the building owner's obligations are fulfilled. The adjoining owner's surveyor focuses on making sure the adjoining owner is protected from unnecessary risk or disruption. However, both must act reasonably, follow the same legislation and cooperate to produce a fair award. If both parties agree, it's also possible to appoint an agreed surveyor, a single impartial expert acting for both sides and fulfilling both these roles. This can simplify things, but it's only appropriate if both owners trust the surveyor and the works are relatively straightforward. Appointing a building owner surveyor is straightforward, but it's important to choose someone experienced in party wall matters, construction and building pathology. Here's how we think you should do it. Start early, ideally before you serve notice, so they can help you get it right from the outset. Although it's worth pointing out that you should not be formally appointing your surveyor unless there's a dispute. You should confirm their qualifications and experience. Party wall surveying is a niche field and there are no formal qualification requirements to work as a party wall surveyor under the Act. Formally appoint them in writing. In the event of dispute, your surveyor should provide you with an appointment form or letter to sign before proceeding. Provide them with all the necessary documents, including drawings, plans, method statements and timelines. Once you've found a surveyor, they can guide you through notice preparation, liaise with the adjoining owner and handle everything from inspections to the award itself. Look for someone who communicates clearly, acts fairly and understands both the legal and practical sides of construction. In most cases, the building owner pays for all surveyors' fees, both their own and the adjoining owners. This reflects the principle that the person proposing the work should bear the cost of ensuring they're done legally and fairly. However, it's worth noting that fees must be reasonable, proportionate to the complexity of the job, and agreed or awarded by the surveyors involved. If the adjoining owner appoints a surveyor but their involvement becomes excessive or unreasonable, the building owner's surveyor can challenge or limit those fees, meaning that the adjoining owner could become liable for some part of the surveyor's fees. It's best to get a clear fee agreement up front, so there are no surprises later. To make your party wall journey as smooth as possible, here are some quick tips. First, you must start early. Engage a surveyor before serving notice. You should communicate with your neighbour. A friendly conversation goes a long way in preventing disputes. Use clear drawings and method statements. They help your surveyor and reassure the neighbour. Choose an experienced surveyor, one who knows the act and understands site realities. Stay transparent. Provide full access to the surveyor and answer questions promptly. And respect the process. Remember that delays, disputes or invalid notices can stop your works. Ultimately, your surveyor is there to support your project, but also to ensure it proceeds lawfully and fairly. Choosing the right one and approaching things professionally makes all the difference. The building owner's surveyor plays a crucial role in navigating the Party Wall Act. Their job is to protect both your project and your legal position while maintaining fairness and cooperation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on those notifications for more surveying advice and party wall guidance. And if you'd like to speak to a chartered surveyor about your upcoming project, well, we're here to help. Thanks for watching and see you next time.